Welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this Lamborghini Huracan STO. So the lovely cars, as we all know, and the issue we have the noise compared to the Performante is day and night different, as we've had them both, and the Performante is the quite a good one in terms of exhaust, whereas the STO is not, but it's got a good appearance. So the point I'm trying to make here is the valves are open when they work, as you like start them in idle, but as you go they start to shut until about 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, and then it opens again and gives you that lovely sound. Now I'm going to do something for you guys so you know exactly what you're doing. So in other words, we're going to have the valves open at all times. That's what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you step by step. So on the STOs, please have two people to remove the back end. If it's the other version, Tecnica, whatever you want to call them, they're different. Pop it off again. And we're working on the driver's side. So this is a UK car. It's the driver's side where the coolant is, okay? And there's a pipe in here. So for those that don't know, it's this one in here. That there. It's a little clip that you push down. Sorry, let me do it in a way so you can understand. So you can see that there. It's a little clip you push down and it comes out. And then it's that lovely cable that we have to unplug. But before we do, we need to make sure that the valves are fully open. And we're going to get cracking by turning the ignition on. And this should hopefully open the valves up, because it kind of puts it in a reset mode, ready and open. There you are. And it's the same, which they were already open anyway. I'm going to use something like this, flathead, because it's a ball ache to actually take off. Let me show you. Guys, it really is a ball ache. I've heard it from other people as well, so make sure we don't lose that. Pop that there. Secondly, I've put the flathead in and I have taken it out, disconnected it in other words. And since it's disconnected, I've seen others, so it's disconnected as it is like that. So that's it, that there is no power going to the valves anymore. So we'll leave it in this sort of position, put this back in, and in other words, just enjoy, I guess. That's one way around it. I have been told Lamborghini can also help you, and long story short, open the valves up for you, enjoy. But in my case, I truly wouldn't want to be going to them, so I've done it and it should be good. So we're starting it, guys. Obviously at idle it should be, let it warm up and then we'll go for a little drive and see if it's still the same. It should be, hopefully. So guys, as you can see, I mean, we're not in high res, but you can hear all the growl and all the noise. There you go. There you go. Everything's spot on. It's only that sensor that you disconnect. You don't get any warning light. If you do, happy days, who cares? Just do a full scan and clear and just live with it. But everything's sound from what we